I built the shed a couple months ago and I still haven't made doors, so today that's what we're going to do. To build these doors, we're going to be using a method that's not as common. I haven't seen anyone post a video on this yet. We're going to be using like a tongue and groove system. So this is a sample, but using a dado stack, we're going to carve notches about halfway down, and then we're going to install them around the perimeter of the OSB, and that's pretty much what your door is going to have for support. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, you'll see as I build this thing. If you're going to use the method that I'm using to make these doors, you're going to need a dado stack. Now, before I started recording, I was playing around with the thickness to figure out how big my groove was going to have to be so that it would fit well around the OBS. I ended up realizing that the 3/8 of an inch exactly was too thin because I wouldn't have any room to get the glue on, and it was pretty hard to slide in. So I added one of these spacers here, and this is a 1/16 of an inch. So I have 3/8 plus one of these in here, and it's perfect. There's just enough room for a little glue, and it's going to hold pretty well. should have done this before I assembled the doors, but I forgot. So with my dado blade, I'm running these doors through twice on one edge only, and I'm carving a rabbet about 3/4 of an inch wide. And then I'm gonna install a strip of wood on one door, and that's gonna basically close the gap between the two doors when they're actually hung and closed on the shed. I hope you liked my different approach to building shed doors. If you like this video, please feel free to check out my other videos. Also, please subscribe and hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified when I post new videos. Have a great day.